Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy the African Mom. So I haven't been on here for a little while and I'm sorry, but I'm back. Are you all excited I'm back? Okay, so today we went out and we just got back and we're so hungry. We wanted to have lunch, but it's going to be a late lunch. And I want to make fried rice or vegetable rice, okay? So I said, okay, I haven't been on here in a long time, so why not bring you to the kitchen and show you how I'm going to make this simple and easy and quick fried rice or steamed vegetable rice or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so
you don't tell them your outfit.
Oh guys, you see the African mom wants to be a little fancy for you guys. So I'm on here and I'm always on with a surprise. My kitty, my real kitty is sleeping. She'll come when she hears the smell of the food. Oh my gosh, she knows her mom, the African mom, is making something delicious. So stay tuned. So my lovies, this is all the stuff we're going to need for the fried rice. Everything is fresh here. Cut broccoli, spring onion. I have my clean chicken breast. I cut it, I clean it, and I have my beans. Normally I use the flat beans, but I went to Walmart 3 good times. I couldn't find my beans, but still you can use this one. I cut it little. See, cut it, yeah. And then I have my carrot and have my corn. Then I have my soya bean. I have my bacon. I have my black pepper. I have my oregano, my grapeseed oil, and then my Maggi. This fried rice, we're going to have it with fried plantain and some avocado and some little salad again. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my chicken. So we need little flour. You can use some rice flour or anything. And then we need some pepper here, black pepper, little oregano. I like spices. And we need little garlic, little. Okay? And then we need some soya sauce. Then we need some Maggi for taste. And then we just mix it. Chicken fried rice. You can use shrimp or chicken. And I forgot, we need 2 eggs for the fried rice. 2 or 3 eggs. Yeah, I think I'll use 3 eggs today. And my rice is here. My rice is cooking. And I didn't use too much water because with fried rice, you don't need the rice to be mushy. It has to be singles, you know, one. It's not cooking. Now I'm going to start cooking my chicken. I'm going to pour some little oil. Yeah, just little oil to stir fry the chicken. I need to let the pan get hot first. So lovies, how have you guys been doing? Are you trying to stay safe with us throughout this pandemic? I always cook. Food is easy to cook. That's why I brought you guys here to show you the steamed vegetable rice or fried rice we're going to eat. It's easy. I don't even need the sauce, but little more soya sauce. Yeah. So we just want the water to finish dry out and then that is it. So now I'm going to start stir fry my vegetables. So with the vegetables and everything too, we need little oil in here. Guys, this oil is so good. It's light. When you finish cooking, you don't even see that there's oil on the food. Yeah.
Or avocado oil, guys.
Yeah.
I love avocado oil.
And this you just saute with some Maggi and some black pepper. So here I'm just going to brown my, I don't even need oil, but just little. It makes everything half and half here. And I think we need little salt to give it a shape. And then this, I need little, everything just little.
Black pepper.
Yeah.
Salt.
Don't stir fry too hard, just half and half. And then I'll go ahead and put my carrots, everything here. We're going to mix everything and eat. Now, guys, the carrot is fresh and hard, so you have to stir fry a little. Tastes so good. And this is healthy, very, very healthy. And next is my corn. And I'm adding my corn now. So we have broccoli, we have carrots, and we have corn. We just stir frying them a little bit, and then we'll add our chicken and we'll add our rice, and that is it. Delicious steamed rice. I forgot my beans. And then everything is just stir fried. Yeah, that one you need little taste. Just pinch of salt and everything. So guys, I'll let it steam a little bit and then we'll continue. So guys, you see I'm just stir frying everything in same pan. And this is my spring onion. I'll stir fry that one too a little bit. So we have the broccoli, we have the carrots, and the broccoli I cut the how do you call it, the stick. Not only this one, I cut all the stick inside, and we have the beans and we have the spring onion. Yeah, we're almost there. So now I'm going to add my chicken. Woo! Next is my steamed rice. Very hot. Woo! See my rice? Everything in one. Delicious. And now we're just going to mix all, and ta-da! So guys, normally I cheat a little bacon. The girls, they don't eat bacon at all, but I eat bacon, and
we have some turkey bacon.
Yeah, turkey bacon. When I dish mine, I'm going to sprinkle some bacon bites. Because of Nana and Nikki, I'm not going to add it here. So now guys, look at this. It's not dry. The rice is single inside, and the taste, oh my goodness. So healthy food. I don't have shito. If you have shito, you just add shito while you are eating. Oh my goodness. But this, I added black pepper and it's good. So guys, see, simple and easy.
The kitty's here.
Guys, you see what I told you? My real kitty is here. Guys, see, thanks for coming.
It smells the food.
Yeah, so guys, see, we're done. This is my vegetable rice, fried rice. And I'm going to fry my plantain now and cut some avocado, and then we eat. So stay tuned. So my plantain is not all that mushy soft that it will soak, the oil will soak in it. So this is good to eat. Or you can bake it. Yeah, once in a while we eat the fried one. Once in a while we eat the baked one. See how pretty it is? Just to be happy and enjoy your food and have fun with your food. Healthy. So I like to cook. So lovies, come right in. Let's dig inside. My fried rice is ready. See? Oh my God, fried rice, vegetable. Rice, whoa, and it's not dry, it's how do you say it, succulent. Yeah, oh my God, I'm loving it. So see, it's just to make quick and easy something to eat. I'm going to sprinkle, see, oh my God, I'm going to sprinkle a little on here like that. Woo, woo, woo. And I made some plantains. Wow, delicious. Oh my God. And then this is my avocado, and ta-da! Woo! What do you see here, guys? I'm hungry now, so I'm going to eat. This is it for today. I'm done. Bam! And if you like if you like this video, please go punch on the like button to like it, and subscribe to my YouTube, and comment and share. Woo! Ivy the African mom. Bam! I'm done. Bye, lovies. Mwah. I'm loving this view. You invited